bless and keep you. Make haste, O God, to deliver me. Make haste, O God, to help me. And let them be ashamed and confounded that seek after our soul. Let them be turned backward and put to confusion that desire our earth. Let them be turned back for a reward of their shame that say,
Dawitt, tell us, what inspired you? What inspired you to pursue music?
I think the most was my greatest inspiration. That is my dream. I was inspired to take up this instrument. And it's been a number of years now, and I'm trying my best to build like this.
It's a very good inspiration.
take me as I, my Lord, take me as
So we can read good, we learn to be better, and we can read our.
take me as I
Your journey, how has your journey been in music so far?
Well, I face some serious setbacks. Nevertheless, I didn't let it stop me. I use it as a stepping stone or an inspiration to continue because of the love I have for music.
Tell us how has your journey been being a part of Give Back Jamaica's Artist Voice Up program? How has that journey been for you?
Great. Let me give thanks for sitting on the tea with people like Mark Wilson and Mr. Brown and the whole team, and I'm happy to be a part of this team, a great team, and I want to continue to help straighten, build, and do for the children. Learn to read at least 10 times a day. Is number one.
but we are poor and needy. Come on, children. Make haste, oh God, know what to help and deliver us. Make no delay. Come on, Clarendon. Take me as I, my Lord. Take me as I. Children, take me as I am. Take me as I am. May God bless and keep you all. Asante sana.
Nothing like a spiritual vibration this morning. Are we feeling it? Okay. Are we feeling it over there? Yeah.